Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Army requirement racket busted, five major arrested. In a joint operation, military intelligence and Maharashtra police arrested a man impersonating an army major for allegedly running a massive fake requirement racket across several states. He was running an army requirement training camp in Dehradun and Aurangabad, according to a senior officer on specific input. Military intelligence, Pune and Bingar Camp Police Station, Ahmednagar have launched a joint operation Wednesday and arrested and accused Satyajit Bharat Kamble at Belapur, Sri Rampur, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra after chasing him from New Delhi. The accused was impersonating an army major running a massive fake requirement racket across Maharashtra, Telangana and Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana and New Delhi etc. along with accomplices who have dumped hundreds of candidates under the pretext of providing them jobs in the armed forces, army and MES. Investigation revealed that Satyajit Bharat Kamble is the kingpin of the fraudulent requirement module being run across the country along with his accomplices, a few of whose names surfaced during interrogation, including female toads who were spread over in the in and southern states of the country. Further, the fraudulent requirement module established a fake training camp at Dehradun, Uttarakhand and Srigonda, Maharashtra for hundreds of aspirants candidates by impersonating and army officer and serving army staff of requirement zones and dumping Rs 7-8 lakhs from each candidate. It has also come to light that the module approximately made Rs 3-4 crore out of a fake army requirement racket till date as the nexus was being run over across various states by the assistance of his accomplices. The accused revealed that the modus operandi of the module was to allure candidates from across Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, and New Delhi by the assistance of academies located in different states and also approached candidates directly at requirement rallies to allure them to join fake training camps as established by the module in the Dehradun and Srigonda jungles and jungles and issued them counterfeit counterfeit joining letters in the name of ex Southern Army commander, chief engineer officer, and other appointments of Army. Further, the module has managed camping stores akin to military patterns from local markets in New Delhi and Dehradun and provided shelter to aspirants candidate during training and issued them identity card as under trained trainees. A senior officer added that the further details as to how many others from various states were involved in the module would come out in due course of investigation, as the module dumped numerous candidates, which raises suspicion of involvement of a greater number of accomplices in the nexus. Thank you guys. You should also try to make